Hello guys, welcome to Learn with Venki. Today I will show how to create this type of parts in CATIA V5. By looking it, you can see it look like very simple, but up to this surface you can create. But these features requires a special tool in CATIA called wrap surface. So by using wrap surface only you can able to create this type of features along the curve. So I will show you cannot use sweep or pattern here. I will show how to do this. Go to CATIA, start shape, generate a shape design. I will try to create this type of teeth linearly, not curves. I will try to create linearly and I will use wrap surface and I will make this linear guide into this curve type of guide. So I will show you now. Select the top line first, swap, align like this using position sketch. Then I will draw two lines, two inclined lines. Something like this. Then I will draw a line and I will make this as horizontal and I will make this as construction line. So now I will make a corner between these two lines, not a construction line. So corner has been developed between them. So now I will select this one and this one, make these two as coincident. Again I will select this point and this point, make these two as coincident. So these are lies exactly in the same plane. So now I will move this, I will align these two to get a thin feature. Try to align like this. So it's fine. It's fine. Now we got teeth, only one teeth. Then I will draw another line right side. So now I will make pattern. This line, this curve and this line to the left side. So I will select this translate option. I will give 10 and I will select this one and I will give pattern. Something like this. So now you can see these are lies on this inclined line. This should not be occur. You have to trim this portions. Select trim option and trim this. Select one by one. Select one by one. So now completed, all we have trimmed. So now I will draw another line like this. So now I will exit from here. My profile has been created. Now I have to create the guide curve. I choose a plane here, parallel through point, or else normal to curve. You can use any definition here. Now I will select this plane and I will draw guide curve. So here you can use circle or rectangular guide curves based on your cross section. I am using a rectangle and I will give radius to it, corner radius to it. I will select corners, this one and this one. I will give 30. Same way I use corners between between the edges. I will give 30 for all 4 corners. Lastly, one more. So now finally, I will coincide this one with this one. Then I will drag like this. I feel the length of this rectangle and the width are little more. I will reduce this to distance from here to here. I will give around 70. Then distance from here to here I will give 80. Select all this and I will drag like this. Exit from here. So now I have my guide curve on my profile. I am going to sweep this one. Select sweep option, select this profile and guide curve, preview. We can see we got something like this. Click on OK. But this one is a linear shape. So how to convert this linear shape to curve which is shown earlier? So we will use wrap surface and we will create. Select this top line again and sketch rectangle along this volume. So now select a rectangle and just fit this rectangle like this. Then exit from the workbench. Then select the fill option here. Click on OK. Click on OK. Then hide the sketch. Then I'm going to create a plane to right side or left side. Just to fit the curved part which we are discussing. So I will make 330 distance between them. Click on OK. And on this plane, I am going to create the curved shape. So this can be created using only spline or single line. You cannot use any other option. Just spline. You can see I'm creating a curve shape. Something like this. We'll adjust like this and exit from here. Then I will select extrude option here and give required length. Click on OK. Click on OK. Then choose here. It may be here, or else you can go to insert and advanced applications, advanced surface. You can see wrap surface, or else you can choose from here element to deform and the reference, this one, and the tangent surface, this one. Make this as normal and preview. So you can see whatever the linear shaped sweep has become a curve. If you go here and if you change this shape like this, so here this will also change. So something, it adapts the shape and it will change according to your positions, like your lengths and dimensions. So now I will hide all the sketches and planes, fill whatever here, and I will show you clearly. I will hide this one also. So this is the final output look like. If you want, you can change the shape, whatever. Thank you guys for watching this video.